Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video for hashtag Deck the Year. This week is week 36. Yes, 36, September 5th. So I was going through my stuff and I've been going through it for some time, and I found an old book that my husband gave me, and I just love the aged look of these pages. So I used them on several of my Deck the Years and went through some ephemera and all that stuff. So this is week 36, and I laid down some paper and I tore it um, where the spots that didn't adhere very well. And then I inked it with my vintage photo and walnut stain. That's why it's really dark in the background. But then I lighten it up with some trim that I found in my stash. Oh my gosh, guys, when you go through your stuff, you find things that you haven't used in a while. Okay, so in the background, this is oh my gosh, wallpaper. No, not wallpaper. Wrapping paper that I got from Target a long time ago, and I punched out a few of it with a scallop circle punch, and I added it here and I added it up here and in the corner. I don't know if you can really see it all that much. And and then I found a butterfly trim that just had three little butterflies, and I'm like, okay, this is a vellum with what do you call that? A gold metallic sheen to it. It's from an ephemera pack. I do not know. And then I add the butterflies because this is a flower, and I found a little um, felt heart, and I added it because I was trying to bring in some of the colors that were in the background. So that is my altered playing card for week 36. There it is. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.